A big hello and welcome to all the planner moms, glam moms and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So this haul is going to be about my Mama Gloria haul. I'll try making it a quick one so you can see exactly what I got. I've already purchased previously from Etsy. Her shop is in Etsy, and that was sometime in June. I had ordered quite many sheets from her and I really enjoyed it. I'm really loving her stickers. They're good quality. The art is amazing, but it's not repositionable, but it's a good investment, and they were less than $1.50 because she was having a 50% sale. However, I got 63% because she was having some issue with my shipping, so she gave me a little bit more discount and I was quite happy with it. And so I think this is going to be my last haul from her for this year. Next year, let's see, maybe to refill, but definitely I'll be having one. I already had one, Once More with Love. I've already done it in August. I will be waiting till the time it comes, because she had a 20% sale. And then Planner Kate haul I would be doing during the Black Friday, and then I think I'm set for next 2 years with the stickers. No more, only whatever I get in the Simply Gilded subscription boxes. Alright, to begin with, I'll also leave a link of my previous haul from Mama Gloria so you can get an idea about what are the stickers and how. And if you have not followed me in Instagram, do follow me because I post a lot of my spreads there. I'll try having at least 1 or 2 planned with me a month. Two sometimes is like every week having 2 videos with the baby, it's sometimes very difficult, so definitely 1 video for sure, and then I'll just add 1 bonus video with my plan with me. So the first thing that I got for her is this habit tracker. This is something I get, so this is how it looks like. So she has this thing, you just stick it here and then you can monitor a couple of habits, because I put the small ones and a lot of habit trackers get wasted, but this is something quite nice as well. You just put the whole thing and have a couple of habits to track and you can review it. Alright, so this is something I got for her. I got, I think, 5 colors from her for these. Yeah, again, all our stickers do fit in this. Hold on, I'll show you. All Mama Gloria stickers are easily, they are able to, you can fit them here easily. I think also this will fit in. Once I get my Once More with Love, I will definitely have a sticker organization and my updated collection video also. So this is one thing I got. This is again the clock. I already have this. Mostly I use this for wake up early. So this is something I got. These are YouTube icons, around 70 of these in each. So you can see this is the YouTube icon. I got 2 sheets of those. These are some freebies she's given me. These are the half boxes she sent me. These are again appointment labels. These are some full boxes she sent me with the rainbow colors. And don't forget, also she sent me to clean, which is very nice. I really wanted to get this. Quite happy. And she also gave me the discount, as I mentioned, so I was very happy with this. Again, I got some Instagram. This is again for my planner, and this is how it looks like. I got some Facebook, again for my social media, some meal for tracking my food, which you have seen me using whenever I iron my husband's shirts, because me and my daughter, we are not going out, so it's only for my husband. I got iron. I got washing machine. I got 2 of this because when I do laundry, I plan for marking my daughter's laundry, I would use these washing machine, and ours is that basket. So this is those days to remind myself to use like if I need to shave for that. This is for nap time. Again, you can see they're quite well cut stickers. Yeah, these are for my hair wash days, so I can mark the days I want to wash my hair, because not every day I wash my hair, right? Got 2 of those to track. This is for the periods. Again, this is for the prayer. See how beautiful they are. I use a lot of this. Is basically yoga, but I use it for prayer. These are beautiful birthday cakes. Again, you can find Mama Gloria in Etsy. All the birthday cakes are here. This also I use quite often. AM PM routine, different colors. This is the to do. Again, I use a lot. These are the days I have a cheat meal. Yeah, so for tracking that. For me, I love McDonald's and KFC. And that also not the McDonald's bun. I like the McDonald's, the chicken fry, and KFC chicken fry. Oh my god, those two are my favorite. I've not had it for really long now. After seeing this, I want to have, but no. This is the days we need to make bed, because once a week I have my housekeeping people who make the bed. So this is for that, for tracking the days he does, mostly on a Saturday. Now from last week I've started asking them to come and do the cleaning twice a week, and then for making of the bed as well. I do my sheets and everything, but this is just for making sure that I make the bed. Now, as you know, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I have bought couple of home plants. I think plants are very beautiful thing to have, especially when you have small kids, to teach them a lot, because I think this is the most beautiful miracle of life. And when you see them, when the kids see how they are nurtured and they grow and they bloom, it will be like they will always know the, like, you know, wherever there is flower blooms, there is hope, something like that. So my daughter, she really enjoys seeing the plants. These are just some succulents and some home plants, because we don't have a balcony or we don't have a garden. So whatever indoor plants we could keep, I got some, and they enjoying the sun. I'm really enjoying them. So to mark whenever I need to water them. So I got these, so beautiful. See, that's a flower and a pot and very pretty sticker. So I got that to mark. Also, this is fold clothes. So the days that I need to fold all the clothes after laundry, to track that. These bath tubs I got for my daughter, when to mark her bath days. Your planner is like your tracker as well, so you know many things. Sometime when she was younger, I used to track her pee and all as well, milk feed and so on, but now I just mark the poop. But now I'm planning, if you will see, next my September starts with her meal planning, also a part of the planner, instead of just writing it in the dry erase. So this is how the bathtub looks like. Yeah, again, very well drawn. Some pencils, these I got for her homeschool time for my daughter. And this is again to mark our nap times, both of us. I don't have anything to mark the nap time. Again, her stickers are easily, see how beautiful they are. Easily you can remove them, but they're not repositionable after you put it for some time, and it will take off the back of the whatever you stick it, paper. But they're pretty good. Yeah, these are makeup when I'll start. So I got these makeup. Skincare, of course, this is something I do every day, and for marking the days for my AM PM routine. This is homeschooling for my daughter and me. Yeah, these are the homeschooling. You can see how it's a baby and mama reading. Again, her ID is this 01. She has a number. And then I wanted to get some different kind of shoes for my exercise. I have the pink one from her, and this is that. Also, I got these balloons, again to mark birthdays, because now my whole family's birthdays will begin from September 2nd. My brother-in-law, I think this video will be past it, and then it will be my 25th, 23rd is my boss's birthday, my mentor, and 24th is my nephew's birthday, and my best friend's birthday also was on 2nd September. Happy birthday, Aditi. I think it's past. She has a lovely food channel. Please go and subscribe if you haven't. She makes amazing food, and she was recently featured in the India Gate food for one of her biryani recipes. She makes amazing food, easy peasy delicacy. I will leave a link below. Do watch her videos and subscribe. And then in future whenever we begin, because my channel also has hotel reviews. As you all know, I'm a hotelier, so maybe November, December we might go for a hotel stay, and to mark those in my planner I have put this hotel. So this is my small haul from, not small, big haul from Mama Gloria shop, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Now I would be organizing them and you can just have a look and see how I do it. So this is my book for all our stickers, and I would be putting later, I have ordered from Once More with Love some reusable albums, so mostly I'll be using that just to show you. See how I put all the stickers. I want to put them like fitness together and all exercise together. Like now this book one will be moved and I will put my fitness, the shoes, so it is easy for me when I'm taking out the stickers, you know, for what purpose it is. So I'll just start putting this here. I already have an alarm clock. Do leave a comment if you want to see my entire sticker collection so far. But as I mentioned, I have a Once More with Love almost 70 plus sheets from her, and then I'll have another Planner Kate one, so maybe I would show later. Yeah, this is the watch one. This is for waking up early, and these are just inexpensive albums from Amazon where I fitted all my stickers. Alright then, I'll continue this organizing part. I wish you all a lovely afternoon, evening and day. Take care of yourself, stay blessed.